Yes, good morning, girls.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Yeah. Yes, what did you do yesterday, ma?
Completing notes, ma'am.
Completed notes, ma'am.
Okay. Done till date? Finished off?
Not completely. Still, that is left from input and out. That part is left,
Okay, okay.
and also that size of computer little is left.
Yes, girls, any complexity in understanding what I have? Yes, girls, are you following when you are writing? Is it easy? The terminology and what you have studied and what you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
for
ma'am.
everybody, ma? Still
Yes.
anybody? Those who are not writing notes, please start, ma, because you'll come to know whether it is difficult or are you understanding. Okay, at least go through, give a glance on a daily basis after 2 o'clock, after your classes are done. Okay, that is what I want to say. And today we'll go for the last part of our output devices, like printers finished na. We have gone through line character printers में chain printer देखे अपन, drum printer देखे. Yes or no? See the chain printer where like the chain, what do you say, the letters, the characters are circulated, you can say. जैसा कि chain rotate होता रहता है, then the proper appropriate character is printed. And drum printer, there are many sort of repetitions. Yes, previous class I have even shared the diagram, if you could remember. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think you could go through that. Like drum printer, it is a type of line printer, yes, which prints by striking the paper against the ribbon. Okay, so yes, print hammers are located above the paper and opposite to each band of the drum. Okay, as they are like, see, and these hammers strike the paper along with the ink ribbon when the proper character on the drum comes at the printing position. Mm. So they have a speed of 300 to, girls, see, you need to understand like how much, just 3 lines about each and every printer, like what they do, how they work, and what is the speed. Only 3 lines, much more enough. Okay, as it is a big huge answer, so try to remember the important things like how it works, and is it a character printer or line printer, basically first category. And the second one, how they print actually on the paper, and how many, like what is the speed, is it lines per minute or pages per minute or characters per sec characters per minute or characters per second, whatever the speed of the printers, that has to be noted down. Observe that carefully. Okay, so this is about what we have done about impact printers. So why basically impact, can anyone tell me why impact? Yes, girls, I need an
Without
answer.
striking against.
जी समझ में नहीं आया.
Without striking against.
With striking against, that is the reason you call it as impact. Impact बोले तो there is something which is pressurizing. Impact रह रहा है, the print head where it is striking, a sort of hammer which is striking the paper, then only the print is getting. And moreover they are noisy. If you could see prior the dot matrix printer and yes, the daisy wheel which looks more like a flower. Yes or no, girls? I hope you remember what is
Yes.
happening. They are making, even the line printer which we have seen, they are emitting some sort of noise. And moreover what is happening, they are like something is pressurized to put the mark or the impression on the paper, the print head. Yes or no? So that is the reason you call it as impact printers. Whereas non-impact printers, like they do not have any physical contact with the paper, ma. ये कैसा होता बोले तो टेक्नोलॉजी पहले क्या होता मालूम, सी द टेक्नोलॉजी हाउ इट गोस, इफ यू कुड गो थ्रू inkjet laser whatever, if you have seen the normal printers, laser printer, which is nowadays in many of the Xerox centers and banks, if you could say, क्या हो रहा है, paper रख रहे हैं आप, yes or no? It's automatically coming out. Before that, what is happening? अब हम बोले तो समझने की कोशिश करो. There will be some sort of ink sprinkled and simultaneously the heat emitted. Ink sprinkle होता बोले तो it doesn't mean that there will be some ink कोई और आके उस पे डालते हैं. It's not like that. But internally how it works is there will be some ink which is spreaded on the paper, and because of the heat which when the paper undergoes through that, what is happening, it gets सूख जाता है, it gets dried up. Okay, so then it gets printing. What I want to say is like there is no impact, like there is no physical contact with the paper, like there is no striking of the hammer or there is no striking of particular character. Like you could see non-impact printers, most probably they are your line printers. Now it's not a matter of character printer, character nahi leta hai. It's all about your lines, how to print the pages, not even lines, the number of pages that gets being printed. Okay,
Yes.
Mariam, please mute. Yes, non-impact printers, they work without any physical contact with the paper, and they print by using heat, pressure, or laser technology. Yes, girls, if I go in depth expansion of these two topics, they are related to these three technologies, like with the heat, the pressure, or the laser technology. Okay, so obviously the laser, these non-impact printers have very much greater resolution. What is resolution? Yes, resolution.
Change.
No,
Improvement.
no. I said about resolution a number of times in my class. Yes, even I said in monitor also, if you could remember, CRT monitor. The number of pixels per unit area, you call it as resolution, yes or no? Girls, resolution. कैमरा में एमपी, yes or no, megapixels बोलते क्यों? What is the resolution? Girls, again and again I am saying, if this is the case, it's not good. Try to be in regular touch with your subject. Don't ignore. Resolution is not the one. When coming to computer technology, resolution means the number of pixels make the resolution, like the number of pixels per unit area on the screen, you call it as resolution. Okay, so obviously non-impact printers, they have greater resolutions and speed as compared to impact printers. Yes, because they are they are character printers, and moreover, even though it is line printer also, but whereas coming to non-impact, they are basically the page printers. Like instead of printing the lines per second or lines per minute or so and so lines per minute or per hour, what is happening, they print some hundreds of pages per minute. Yes, the speed is like that nowadays. So they are very much speed and faster when compared to your impact printers. Okay, so the most commonly used non-impact printers are, yes, line and laser printer. Line printer, it goes for the just line printing with this technology which I have discussed, and the laser printer. Now I'll discuss line printer. Yes, you could see on the screen. I hope the screen is visible to you all.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. See, जैसा कि अपन whenever there is something wrong, then the print नहीं आ रहा है printer में, then everything will be good enough. But only thing which has to be rectified is cartridge. Cartridge is the one, like it is the one. क्या बोलते हैं वो पूरा ink के साथ रहता है, that has to be changed for the nice printing view of a paper on the paper. Okay, so these printers, they contain cartridges of liquid ink, and yes, when the print command is fired, the print sender, whatever, the printer sends the information signals to the printer head. By using these signals, the head sprays ink drops on the paper. Yes, just before I said no, like how the technology works. Yes, basically non-impact printers, they work by using heat, pressure or laser technology. अभी heat हो रहा है and pressure हो रहा है. How? See, whenever there is a print preview or printer को दे रहे हैं, then it invokes, the printer says internally to get the print head ready where it sprays ink. ऐसा स्प्रे मतलब नहीं है कि अपन जो होली खेलते हैं, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. It's just the internal technology which happens within the paper and the print head. Okay. Yes, the head sprays ink drops on the paper, and then the ink of the inkjet printer is manufactured in such a manner that the
Sorry.
there is power failure. I'll have logged out because of network issues now. Am I audible, girls? I have logged into mobile data. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you could see how it works. The head sprays ink drops on the paper, and yes, the ink of the inkjet printer is manufactured in such a manner that the paper quickly absorbs it, and they offer good quality in lesser cost, and it needs only 3 or 4 primary colors to create thousands of colors. Okay. So this is what about your ink printer, inkjet printers. Inkjet, the name itself says jet kuch. Yes, when the jet is taken off, what will you see? Jet. Jet malum kya hai? Not this mosquito jet which we used to have in childhood. Jet planes.
Yes, which will go very fast, especially used for the army.
हाँ, fast जाते. क्या होता है? गए तो
Yeah.
थोड़ा धुआं
Pollution.
दिख. Don't you find some sort of the smoky thing when
Yes,
they are
yes.
flying off? Did you observe that with a very fast speed, and when they are like on the fly, what is happening? There will be some sort of smoke back which gets smoky sort of thing vanished very early, very quickly. So here also inkjet printers, like you could say, like the ink is sprayed on the paper, and the paper is made in such a manner that it quickly absorbs it because of the heat technology which is built in within the printer. So then immediately the printing goes on. It's a common sense. Like, see, the more you think logically, the more is the subject for you. Yes or no? So laser printer, it's a page printer which you could see, like you could see number of, like everywhere you could see. I guess most of you even have at home, or somewhere or the other you have seen, like when you go to a hospital or a bus station to make your pass or something like that. Colleges में गए तो, yes or no, or on a day-to-day basis Xerox copies, yes or no? So you might have seen this sort of printers which is commonly used nowadays, and they are the other very popular of non-impact printers, like which use laser and heating technologies to print. And see, it is very fast and very speeder, and it can print one page at a time, and they provide the high quality and the best quality and high speed with very low cost. Yes, how it works is the laser printers, first a head fires a laser on the drum. It is same one and the same, like when coming to printer, instead of what do you say, the so-called hammer is replaced by this cartridge technology, or you could say as ink and ribbon. Okay, ribbon जो खराब होता है उस पे there will be proper mechanism where to enhance the printing. Okay, so, and yes, I want to discuss one thing here. How many of you did you ever observe this laser printer printing है जब, when it is printing, how many of you have observed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, laser printer.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am. Observe.
Observed.
I
What did you
also,
observe
ma'am.
then? What did you observe?
One green ray will come
It
from the
passes through
right
like
side
a
to the left
scanning.
side,
It does it
and
like a
the whole
scanning.
paper gets printed.
हाँ, तो वो कैसा आ रहा है? Don't you think? Have you observed this? Like they draw an inverted image on the paper. ऐसा रखते हैं, फिर उल्टा आता है पेपर. कभी देखे आप?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Have you observed?
Yes, ma'am.
The paper comes out in an inverted manner. After this, the paper is passed through the heater, which fixes the ink on the paper. Okay, I repeat, girls, this is very important point. Like, see, in laser printers, a head fires a laser on the drum to draw an inverted image on the paper, and after this the paper is passed through the heater, which fixes the ink on the paper. And the speed of the laser printer ranges from 12 to 25 pages per minute. You could imagine 12 to 25 pages per minute. Okay, so hardly 4 seconds for a paper. Yes or no? 60 seconds make a minute, so 25 papers, 4 seconds per paper. Entire paper, you could imagine what is the speed. Yes or no? A minimum of 12, which takes 5 seconds, and a minimum of 25. Yes,
Yes.
so this is the speed. And yes, depending on the cartridge, the printer goes on. जैसा कि resolution बोलते हैं ना, the same, like the thickness of the cartridge, the print goes on. And the standard resolution in most laser printers today is 600 dots per inch. Girls, resolution is always in computer technology. It is the dots per inch. These dots are nothing but pixels. Pixels are nothing but picture elements. Okay, so what I want to say, the resolution of the most of the laser printers today is like 600 dots per inch, 600
And
dpi.
please share this screen too.
Yeah, I'll share. You just listen, I'll share. And yes, they are mostly used in like, see, wherever large quality bulk of printouts have to be taken, then in such a scenario you could use this, where it is even like it can be even connected to a normal desktop also. Okay, ma? Just a
Okay,
moment.
ma'am.
Yes, the last one, plotter, which we have seen. Yes or no? What does plotter do? It is the same like it is mainly for drawing pictures, and it is used for some sort of designing, mostly like computer aided designing, or you could say and it is a versatile tool. And it is, most of the people get confused with a printer and plotter, but plotter uses lines as drawings to form an image instead of using dots. Yes, generally the printers, as I said, go for resolution like the dots per inch, but whereas the plotter, it takes lines, okay, for sort of drawings. I guess most of us have seen the plotter working on that day where we have gone through printing demo also. Yes, and plotters are mainly used to print maps, layouts, banners, and reports that are very large in size. Yes, and they are even used in engineering applications where precision is mandatory. Yes, engineering applications means now if you are making a home, like a blueprint of a home or some sort of construction, what will you do? Or some sort of computer aided designing or some computer aided technology, what will you do? Will you write it on a small piece of paper? Will you draw it? No. What happens, like entire printout has to be taken very largely, so that is possible only through your plotters. Yes, very large drawings. Okay, I hope you are understanding. They're used in engineering applications where precision is mandatory. And yes, you have drum plotters and flatbed plotters. As like, see, what is the difference? The size matters, that's all, and the speed matters. The drum plotter contains a drum on which the paper is rolled. Okay, and the drum plotters make more noise than your flatbed plotters, and they are more compact than the other type of plotter. And flatbed plotters, like you could see, the image itself says like it with a flat surface to which a piece of paper is attached. Girls, if you want to understand it more clearly, as I said, go through some videos of your plotters, okay, which you could understand by seeing the image. Yes. So the flatbed plotters, like they are very less noisy. And yes, different manufacturing organizations or industries use plotters to draw various graphical images. Actually ना कभी आप carving को गए, wood carving कहीं देखे आप? Nowadays, have you seen glass painting, some sort of acrylic bolte
Yes,
and
yes.
wooden पे
Yes, ma'am.
Architectures.
हाँ, yes,
Okay.
CNC machines बोलते हैं जो see like people with the bells and everything. The door is designed for puja. What do you say? For puja room, they'll have a door sort of thing with the bells. Yes
Yeah.
or no?
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am. Different.
like see the carvings and everything. The design will be taken through the system only. The, like indirectly, these plotters only help them in doing so. Okay, apart from carpentry or woodworks, it is the system, the technology which matters. Okay, like you have CNC sort of things. If you browse the net now, you will come to know. अब जो doors पे दिख रहे हैं अपन, what we can see on the doors, on the glasses, okay, the paintings or whatever the modern art. Do you think the people are sitting and drawing for so long time? No, it is entirely through the computer designing where uh, all these things come into picture, like especially the plotters which are meant for heavy drawings. Okay, so the categories of the plotters could be flatbed and drum plotters. Okay, where the size matters and the technology matters. That's all. Okay, I hope I am clear with this.
But
And
ma'am, the printer will give just the outlook, no? The person should carve on the thing.
it's not the printer ma printer say upon sirf we could go for a small size of papers, but as I said, when coming to large drawings like what I have said just before, it is possible only through plotters. There will be some machines which are connected to the system, okay, where there will be embedded systems with this technology where the carving and everything goes on. It's not
Okay,
that
ma'am.
individual system, or it is not that only the machine, computer machine, or the what do you say, the carpenter or something related to the wood. It is both with the system and the things where they go through that.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a combination.
Okay.
With this, I have done with input and output devices also, girls. So on Monday, I'll go for memory, which is again interesting. Primary memory, again secondary memory is somewhat like we have to go through. mm, just a moment. Yes, you could see this, the last part of your flatbed plotters. Okay, so you could give a glance of this. Do you have any doubts, ma? Input and output devices. Yes, in output devices, like we have seen monitors under which we have CRT, LCDs, and TFTs, and speakers, and again printers where we had impact and non-impact. Impact में character और line printer देखे, like we had yes, daisy wheel and dot matrix. Yes or no? And then we had chain and drum, and then coming to today's, we had seen inkjet and laser printers. Apart from that, totally plotters. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so huh? Printer, plotter, speakers, monitors, they all come under your output devices. Like what is soft copy and what is hard copy, we know, we have discussed. Okay, I don't want to say again and again, so boring, like people might find वही बोल रहे. Okay, those who are listening, just go through that. I could see very less strength today. Why ma? What happened? Very less.
Due to weather condition.
No, it's very nice today. No, actually, rather compared to last few days, it's very sunny and happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Feeling like enthusiastic to do work. See, in the first year, that too, not even a month finished. If this is the case, I don't know what you people will do. In spite of posting that you should be regular, you should be regular. If I see less strength now, I'll stop posting the notes. I'll ask you to prepare on your own. That is what I'm going to do now. So you yourself, however, all the girls are in both the groups, na? You yourself has to provoke and improve your students to join the attendance to get the notes of FIT. I don't know. Otherwise, I'll stop giving the notes if this is the case. Shall I do that?
No.
No, ma'am.
Then somebody posted something. I don't know what these people do. See the noise which is coming. Yes, Habibunisa Begum. Okay, girls, shall I wind up? Okay. I have done
Yes,
with this.
ma'am.
On Monday, we'll go with fresh topics and with a fresh note. Okay. So I'll wind up
Yes.
here. Yes.
Next
Thank you
class
all.
will be from 10.
Next class will be? Yeah, you have continuous classes now onwards. Why?
No, ma'am, from 10 o'clock. Or,
10. From 10 o'clock, ma.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It's 9:40. By the time I wind up, it will be 9:40. Next 20 minutes, you go through something which is important of FIT or the other subject which is to be followed.
Okay, ma'am.
Still, our notes are pending, ma'am. For FIT, we'll do that.
We will
Okay.
continue that.
Okay, I'll take that in. Malakpet girls, raise your hands, ma. The thing is, the battery is low and no Wi-Fi, ma. That is the reason I'm winding up. Otherwise, I would have extended for 10 more minutes speaking about the subject. Even mobile data, like it's not feasible, na. Kab tak chalta nahi malum.
No, ma'am, it's okay.
Rastantram 1 hour ada 5 minutes.
13 hours from Malakpet.
No, 14. Atika Tabassum did not lift her hand. Atika Tabassum. So I think it's
Yes.
15 from Malakpet, right? Okay,
No,
ma.
ma'am, and Jweria Rahin
Jweria
also
Rahin.
didn't raise.
What, Lubna?
Jweria Rahin also did not raise her hand.
15.
16, I think, ma'am.
16, yeah. See, we have to bother about these people. Okay, ma. Huh? 16, done.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you all for being there. As due to some network issues, as I said, I'll stop here. Okay. So I'll continue on Monday, ma. Till then, take care. Don't waste your time. Every day is very important for you. Okay.
Okay.
As we are late to our academics, don't waste your time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Take
ma'am.
care, ma.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Now.